Afternoon everybody, it's Alison from the Nail Boutique in Freckleton. So this week is ombre week. I've been lucky enough this week to have been sent some stuff from the Georgie Smedley Group. She sent me through some Aeropuffing. So she sent me through some colours and the top coat, the matte top coat, and also a couple of the sponges with an applicator. She's also sent me some the stencils, the reusable stencils, which is really great. So I just want to say thank you very much to Georgie. And at the moment, they actually do have an offer on at the moment for us getting back to work, which is really good. And that is 20% off. So you should just put helping hand in as your discount code. So I'm going to go on with it. So what I've done is I've just prepped the nail first. I've put 2 coats of a white gel polish on, and then I'm going to go in with the Aeropuffing matte top coat. Now, when you're doing Aeropuffing, you do need to apply it to a matte top coat. It's nice and thick, it doesn't drag, it doesn't bubble, it goes on very nice and evenly, like so. And then I'm just going to cure that in the lamp. So that comes out the lamp. What I've done is I've just dispensed some of the colours, the gel paste, onto my palette. So I've gone for an orangey colour, yellow and some black. As you can see, you don't need a lot at all. So just squeeze a little bit out. So this one I'm actually going to do just a very, very simple sunset scene. So I'm going to start off with going in with my red. So you just literally dip it straight in a couple of times and then get the excess off your sponge like so, and then just start applying. And you start by going from one side to the other like so. If you need to get any off, just literally dab it onto your palette. Okay, change ends. I'm going to go in with my yellow. Again, same sort of thing. Start from the bottom, work my way up like so. Okay. And then over the line where you're joining up the colours, just get rid of any excess that's on your sponge and literally work it in like that. There you go. And then that goes into cure, and it's a 60-second cure. Now that's come out of the lamp, what I've done, one of the reusable stencils that were sent was this one, which is some palm trees. So you can see here, it actually is, it comes in one. You peel off either side. So this side, obviously, you'd have your negative space, or this line would be your outline. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. Okay, and I'm going to pop it probably round about there. Okay, don't forget this is touch dry, so you can touch this no problem. Okay, so once you've done that, go into your black with your sponge and dab it off, and then you are going to start again using the same motion of going from one side to the other. Okay, so I'm going to do that, pop that in for a cure, and then I'm going to do another coat of the black. So I've just put another coat of that on, and I'm going to take off the stencil. Don't forget, as long as you take this off carefully, this can be reused. Right, so that one comes out of the lamp, and it's finished. I've just done a top coat on that. So you can see that is your ombre using the Aeropuffing sponges and their gel pastes. Okay, I've prepared the next nail. Just used a lilac-y colour gel polish, and I've decanted it on here. That probably looks quite black, but it's actually like a very deep purple and some white. Using one of the reusable transfers, these are just light, so I'm just going to take one off and pop it there so it's ready. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is just want to create an ombre with the purple. So I'm going to take my brush and again dip it in. You need very, very little on there, so take most of it off if you can. Okay, and once you've done that, pop that in for a cure. So that's out the lamp. What I'm going to do is I want to take my line that I've got here and pop that away, and I'm going to put it onto my tip. I'm going to do it there like that. Okay, I'm going to take the sponge now. I want to load up my sponge, but I need barely any of the gel paste on there. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go in at an angle, because all I want is like a little shadow along this line here. So take off most of it. You'd probably actually barely be able to see it. Like so. Right, lift it up. Use your tweezers if you need to. And place it, oh, sorry, place it again there. I'll just move that. So pop that along there. And again, barely any. And go in at an angle rather than like this. Go like that. So again. It's like that. And you can see you're starting to get a shadow. Take that off. Again, just along that line there, and that just gives you that shadow effect. And then we're going to take this off, cure it, and go and do it on the other side as well. So once that's done, I'm going to go back in, cure that, and then I'm going to top coat it as well. And then that's that finished nail. Which gives you that nice ombre effect, but also a design, just something slightly different, for an alternative for a French. Okay, the last design, something really simple that you've probably seen me do before. So I've prepped the nail again, just white, and again I have used the Aeropuffing matte top coat. So all I'm going to do, basic ombre blend with all the colours together. So I'm going to start off with the blue. Okay, and once you're happy with the design, just pop that in for a cure. So this one, I'm going to use this shape here, this sort of geometric. So I'm just going to pop it on there like that. Again, this is cured underneath, so you can press it down. It's not going to come off on your finger at all. Just clean my palette a little bit and put some white on there. So I'm going to go in with my sponge, get as much off. Okay, and once you're happy with that, take off, transfer, pop it back into your book that you've got there. Again, you can reuse them, and then that's going to go in for a cure. There you go. So you can now just top coat that, or what you can do, which I quite like to do, is sort of highlight some of those squares. You don't have to do all of them if you don't want to. It's entirely up to you. There you go, and that's come out the lamp. So I've just outlined it, and then I've just top coated it as well. There you go. So those are those designs today. I've just done a slightly different one using hearts there, and obviously two different colours. There you go. So again, I just want to say thank you very much for Georgie Smedley for sending me some Aeropuffing. So I've been able to do this video for you today. And don't forget that discount code, which is Helping Hand, you get 20% off at the moment. So I'm not sure how long that's on for, but we all could do with a little bit of extra money in our pockets. And I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I shall see you again next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.